Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to another session of EVS interactive class. Children, in our last session, we had talked about animals from other countries. And in today's session, we will cover two topics: animal reproduce and sense organs in animals from lesson Animal Life. Children, animals reproduce mainly by two ways. But before that, you should be clear with the term reproduction. So, what is reproduction in animals? It is a process by which animals give rise to their offsprings, means young ones or babies. So, by this process, they give birth to their young ones, and it is very necessary process because the animals, they keep their number steady or growing up through this process so that they do not become extinct in future. Means to ensure their continuity, the animals reproduce. Some animals, they reproduce by laying eggs. Means they produce eggs, they lay eggs that mature and hatch after being expelled from the body. Means the young ones in such animals hatch out from the egg which is expelled out from the body. This type of reproduction takes place mostly in birds, in most of the reptiles like snakes, crocodiles, lizards, in amphibians like frog. Amphibians are the animals who can live on land as well as in water. Also in insects like ants, honeybee, butterfly, and many fishes. Most of the fishes, they produce eggs, and this way they reproduce. They give birth to their young ones. On the other hand, in some animals, they give birth to young one. Means they do not lay eggs from which the young one comes out. They directly give birth to their young ones, means baby. They directly deliver their babies. For example, lion, dog, cat, tiger, zebra, buffalo, rabbit, deer, bear, and many aquatic creatures also like dolphins, whales, they also deliver babies. So, animal reproduce by two ways, either by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. So, children, the animals which give birth to young ones are called mammals. So you have got one distinctive feature of all the mammals, that they give birth to babies. Let me tell you two other distinctive features, especially for animals who live on land. Means I am talking about land mammals. All the mammals who are present on land, they have hair on their body, and they have external ears. So any animal having hair on their body and you can see their ears, that animal is a mammal. You can easily guess that that animal will give birth to babies. So these are some of the things which are related to mammals. Sense organs in animals. As you all know, sense organs are the windows to the world. So almost all animals live in the world which is filled with light and sound, and all animals respond to light and sound using this sense organs. All animals have sense organs. You know that we have 5 sense organs like ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin, and each and every animal use their sense organs to search for food and to escape their enemies. So these sense organs, they help the animal to search food and to protect themselves from enemies. Now let's talk about the super senses of some of the animals. Children, do you know that African elephants have strongest sense of smell? It has best nose in the whole animal kingdom. And also dogs have also very good sense of smell. Similarly, cats have very good sense of hearing. A snake senses through its body. It does not have ears, so snakes cannot hear. They are sensitive to thermal radiations emitted by the body of other animals surrounding it. Means the heat radiations or the heat emitted by the body of other animals can make a snake locate that animal. So even a blind snake can locate its prey just by the heat coming from the body of other animals. In case of fish, fishes have sense organs along its body, and fish use sense organs to swim and find their way through water. But in case of catfish, besides having sense organs along its body, catfish has highest sense of taste. It can sense the taste of food surrounding it with the help of whiskers, which are present on the front part of its mouth. So besides having sense organs found along the body, catfish can sense taste also, because taste buds are present on the whiskers of with the help of whiskers which are present on the mouth part. If we talk about birds, so in many birds that the sense of hearing is very good. You can't see a bird's real ears, as these are mostly hidden in their feathers, but birds do have excellent hearing. They can detect shorter and lower sounds even. That helps them to hear soft contact calls and recognize each other's song. Birds like pigeon, owl, they have very good sense of hearing. And many birds have very good sense of sight, means they have a very sharp eyesight. They can locate their prey from the height, like eagles, owls, falcon, hawks, sparrow, etc. Spiders are one of the very few animals with the hypersensitivity to touch. Means they have very good sense of touch. They can detect and trace their prey by vibrations created by other animals. So in this world, different animals have developed their different senses according to their need. So today we have done about animal reproduce and sense organs in animals. Hope you enjoyed today's EVS session. Children, in our next session we will talk about reptiles and food of reptiles.